Welcome, curious minds, to another fantastic episode of Super Spark Science. Today we're taking a trip, not to space, not to the jungle, but inside your body. Yep, right into the inner workings of your plumbing system. No, not the pipes under your sink. I'm talking about your urinary system. It might not be glamorous, but trust me, it's more exciting than a superhero water park. Buckle up your imaginary lab coats. Now imagine you're the boss of a super busy juice factory, and every day, gallons of juice come in through the pipes, need to be filtered, bottled, and the waste tossed out. That's exactly what your body is doing every second of the day. The urinary system is your body's personal cleaning crew. It filters your blood, gets rid of the stuff you don't need, and keeps the good stuff. It's like your kidneys are two little janitors with super-powered mops. Let's meet the incredible organs on the job. First up, the kidneys. They look like big red beans and live near your lower back. Their job? Filter, filter, filter. Every single day, your kidneys filter around 50 gallons of blood. That's enough to fill a bathtub. And out of all that, they only make about 1.5 quarts of pee. That's about the size of a big water bottle. Efficient, right? Then the filtered waste, called urine, travels down the ureters. Those are like slippery water slides into the bladder, which is basically a stretchy muscular balloon that stores your urine. When it's full, it sends a message to your brain saying, "Hey, time to let it go." Now picture this. You're drinking a big glass of lemonade. Yum! That liquid goes through your stomach, gets absorbed in the intestines, and then jumps into your bloodstream. That blood makes a pit stop at the kidneys. Here comes the cool part. The kidneys scan your blood like detectives. If there's extra water, salt, or waste, bam, they package it as urine. It's like taking out the trash, but with science. Urine isn't just water. Oh no, it's a mix of urea. That's a waste from breaking down proteins, salts, and other leftovers your body doesn't need. It's like the junk drawer of your body. It all ends up there. That's why your pee can change color or smell depending on what you eat or drink. Ever had asparagus? Then you know. Fun fact, not everyone can smell it. Yep, science is weird. Now, why should we care about this weird yellow liquid? Because your urinary system keeps your whole body in balance. It helps control your blood pressure, keeps your bones strong by balancing calcium so they stay tough like superhero armor, and stops waste from building up. Without it, your body would be like a clogged up sink. Not a pretty picture. Time for some silly science. Did you know giraffes pee while running? Or that one whale can produce hundreds of gallons of urine a day? Don't even get us started on astronauts. They recycle their pee into drinking water in space. That's right, galactic lemonade. Yum? Don't worry, they use a high-tech filtration system that cleans it super thoroughly. Space science is pretty amazing. To keep your urinary system happy, drink water. Lots of it. Your kidneys are like hard-working dishwashers. They need water to do their job. Eat fruits and veggies, avoid too much salty junk, and listen to your bladder when it says it's time to go. Holding it too long is like ignoring a leaky faucet. Eventually, well, you get the idea. So, what have we learned? Let's do a rapid rewind. The urinary system is your body's janitor team, made up of kidneys, ureters, a bladder, and a urethra. It cleans your blood, balances fluids, and lets go of waste. And yes, it turns lemonade into something much less tasty. Let's zoom in on one of the stars of your pee, urea. Urea is a waste product made when your body breaks down protein. Imagine your body is eating a giant burger. Yum! And when it finishes using all the protein parts it needs, there's leftover junk, urea. The liver makes it, the blood carries it, and the kidneys get rid of it. It's teamwork at its stinkiest. Okay, let's walk through the journey of a sip of lemonade. In real time, slurp. It enters the stomach, slosh, gurgle, and then it gets absorbed by the intestines, squish. Into the bloodstream it goes. Your blood delivers it to the kidneys where the magical filtering begins. Only what's needed stays. The rest slides down those ureters like it's a water park ride, splashing into the bladder. Wait a bit. Ding! Brain alert. Time to pee. Did you know the bladder can stretch like a balloon and hold up to 2 cups of urine? That's like a whole soda can, plus a bit more. It's lined with special stretchy muscle and can expand and contract. Plus, when it sends that message to your brain to go pee, it's not being annoying, it's being helpful. Bladders, the silent heroes of hygiene. Your kidneys aren't just filters. They're also fantastic at measuring. They can tell when you've had too much water and adjust. Ever notice your pee is almost clear when you drink a lot? That's your kidneys dialing things down. Not enough water? Your pee goes darker yellow because they're holding on to water like a camel. Pretty smart for bean-shaped organs. Holding in your pee for too long is like ignoring a fire alarm. Your bladder muscles can stretch too much and get tired, which makes it harder to go later. Plus, it can give bacteria time to hang out where they don't belong. So when nature calls, answer the phone. And now we're in for the big moment, the great toilet launch. When your brain finally says go for pee, Serenia, your bladder's muscles squeeze like a toothpaste tube, and 3, 2, 1, liftoff. And we have liftoff. The pee knot has successfully departed the urethra cannon and is making its final approach to the toilet. This is a historic moment, folks. Ah, that is another successful mission for the urinary system. Here is a fun fact for you. Did you know the average person pees about 3,000 times a year? That's a lot of high fives for your bladder and kidneys. Now let's pretend you're a pee detective. You examine a sample and look for clues. Is it clear? Dark yellow? Smelly? Foamy? Every clue tells a story. Maybe you need more water, or maybe you ate something funky. Being a pee detective is a weird but cool way to know what your body needs. Here are some pee-related myths. Myth number 1. If your pee is yellow, you're unhealthy. Nope. Yellow is normal. It just shows your body is doing its job. Myth number 2. You only need to pee a couple times a day. Nope again. Healthy peeing means 4 to 8 times per day. Myth number 3. Holding your pee makes your bladder stronger. Oof, not true. It's like overfilling a water balloon. And there you have it, full tips of bladder banter, kidney knowledge, and urine system you never knew you needed. The urinary system may be behind the scenes, but it's always on the job. And that is the epic tale of the urinary system, your body's very own pee factory. So remember, checkmark drink water, or your kidneys will complain. Don't hold it in, or your bladder will revolt. And always thank your kidneys. They're the real MVP. And hey, if you had fun learning today, check out our other videos. Whether it's How Do Lungs Breathe or What's Up with Poop, We've got the whole body covered. Subscribe, stay curious, and keep those brains bubbling with questions. Until next time, Super Spark scientists, keep it clean, hydrated, and hilariously educational.